Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing how you can carry out change of name, change of date of birth, change of address, change of phone number by yourself without even stepping each at the NIN office. I'm going to show you the step from A to Z on how to carry out the process. The link you are going to use is what you are seeing on the screen. After you input the link, it will show up this page. So what you just need here is to click on registered. So make sure you fill all the details here, your name, your first name, your last name, middle name, and phone number, and click on next. So it will pop up this message. Just click on continue. So after you reach this stage, after you click on continue, it will pop up this stage, which is the guideline on how you will face the screen. So make sure you follow this process for you to be captured. So now this way I'm capturing my face. So it has captured. So we just click on continue. So at this stage, you will input your email, password, and you also confirm your password. So take note of this. Where you are using the password, so make sure you input a strong password which contains uppercase, lowercase, number. So after you fill all the data, make sure you validate your email. Click on validate email. It will show up this OTP box. So and they already sent the OTP with the OTP number, and click on confirm OTP. So it will confirm the OTP. Now OTP verification successful. Now you click on I agreed and you click on sign up. Now I'm successfully the account has been successfully created. So now at this stage I will need to input my email and password to log in back. So after it will still ask me to verify my face if I want to log in, so that it will, in order to know that you are the one still want to log into your portal, so you need to verify. So now I'm still capturing my face again. I click on confirm. So you input your NIN at this stage. So now you click on submit. It will show you that, are you sure you want to validate this NIN? Just click on submit. Now NIN successfully validated. So let's click on continue. Now during the process, after I validate the NIN, it's show up at the stage where I need to relog in. So where I need to relog in, so I need to input my password and email again to log in. So I will still need to capture my fields before I will be able to log in on the portal. So this is where I'm capturing my face. Now we're processing your image. Now capture is successful. No, it's already so now I'm able to log in now. So on this portal you can carry out change of name, or you can see change of address, change of phone number, and date of birth. And for you to carry change of name, it's just 2013 naira. Hope you can see the price also there. So let me just show you how you can carry out the process. So let us click on change of name. Actually, I'm not carrying out any change of names or any process here. I just want to show you guys on how you can carry out the process. So after you click on it, make sure you read all this information, all this instruction before you proceed. Make sure you understand all this instruction. Just click on I have read and understood the instruction above, and click on continue. So after you click on continue, it will pop up another stage for you, that all the processing things you needed to upload. So how was you needed to upload so at this change of name, you need to upload your newspaper published, which is the changeover of name, and whether it's for marriage process, you need to upload your marriage certificate. So for any process you want to carry out, you will see the document you needed to upload before you can process the registration. So and you will make the payment. After you make the payment, within 2 days your registration will be approved, and you will download your documents here. Hope you understand me. So that's all on how to carry out changes on NIN portal by yourself. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share to your lovely one, and if you have any question, drop it at the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for you not to miss any of our updates. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.